In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook and OneDrive. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the full suite of Microsoft applications, including Outlook and OneDrive, which we'll be focusing on today. If you're not yet logged in, take a moment to do so now, and we'll proceed together. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself greeted by the familiar Microsoft interface. At this point, your task is to locate the App Launcher icon, which is typically found in the top left corner of your screen. This icon looks like a small grid of dots, representing all the apps available in your Microsoft suite. Go ahead and click on this icon. With one simple click, a menu of various apps will drop down, allowing you to select the one you need. For today's tutorial, find and click on the Outlook icon. This action will open the Outlook application, bringing you directly to your inbox, where you can view all of your emails. Next, we're going to compose a new email. So, locate the New Mail button. This button is generally placed at the top left corner of your Outlook window. Click on it to open a fresh email message window. Once you have your new message window open, you'll observe several options to customize your email. One particularly useful feature within Outlook is the ability to attach files directly from OneDrive. Watch out for the attach icon, which often resembles a paperclip. Clicking on it will present you with a few options. Select the option for OneDrive to proceed. This action will redirect you to your OneDrive files, allowing you to choose the document or file you want to attach. Take your time to browse through your OneDrive storage, and once you find the file you're looking for, simply click on it. After you've selected your file, you'll notice a drop-down symbol next to it. Click on this drop-down to reveal further options. Now, you will need to decide whether to attach the file directly or to share a link. Sharing a link can be particularly useful if you wish the recipient to have access to any updates you might make on the file. However, for this demonstration, we're going to focus on attaching the file directly. Once you've made your choice, click on Attach, and the selected file will be added to your email, ready for you to send. And there you have it. The file is now successfully attached to your email, giving you the ability to efficiently send important documents directly from OneDrive using Outlook. It's a seamless integration that not only enhances your productivity but also streamlines your workflow. With that, you now know how to effectively use Outlook and OneDrive together.